Dear students, let's start. 10 lines on brain drain. The migration of highly trained professionals and qualified human resources to other countries is brain drain. Brain drain is a boon to the developed nation since they get highly qualified professionals without investing in their training. Brain drain is one of the biggest hurdles in the development of the countries which are still in a developing phase. Unfortunately, India is also suffering from brain drain for many decades. Lack of opportunities, infrastructure, equipment and facilities etc. forces skilled professionals to seek opportunities abroad. Corruption and government reluctances are also much responsible for brain drain. High ambition is also one of the causes for the brain drain when people settle abroad to get a high standard of living. Dr. Har Govind Khurana, Satya Nadella, Sundar Pichai, etc. are few examples of Indian brain drain. The government is working hard to stop the brain drain and has taken many steps to provide better opportunities in our country. The recent development in the country has made around 1,000 scientists return to India in the last few years, giving rise to reverse brain drain. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.